we learned anything from 2020, it's that you do not have to go far to find a good story. There's absolutely nothing that you need to do to take that first step to become a travel writer. Whether it's Paris, Texas, or Paris, France, a good story is a good story no matter where it takes place. Trust me, you do not need to spend a lot to find a great story. Some of my best stories have been on budget trips. Getting published is just icing on the cake. The skills you learn as a travel writer will follow you wherever your professional career takes you. So it's time to get started. Travel deeper right now. Head over to travelwriterslab.com and join one of our labs today.